Guys, you like? Yes, guys. Shopping. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, my name is Iandra and not Landra, because people call me Landra. You know why, babe?
Because the I on the channel.
Yeah, because
It's capital.
because the capital I look like a common L. So guys, my name is Iandra Baburam. If you're new, today is Antoine's birthday. I don't know if you know Antoine, but Antoine is Kimona's son. That's my little baby. Lovell and Lucia them gone home, and I'm so sad. Cause guys, if you don't know me, me's a family person. I love when people they around me are happy, and when Lovell and Lucia did it, I not tell no lie. Happiness, straight happiness. Me let them dry, babe. Me never did have one chopstick in here.
Maybe we know that for that long time.
It melt, and you try where? You could have put in our freezer.
When you like it smell like after one time.
I did banana.
You see after a time when heat catch banana, you know smell good. Thing.
Excuse my dry lip, guys. I just feel so sad. I miss them. Me need to start to love Lucy and Adiana. I keep on as a Lovell and Lucy. So Lovell, Lucy and Adiana gone home. So yeah, but I did enjoy the little time with them. Played games and a whole lot of stuff, and that felt so good. I must say, you're very creative. You're creative, bad.
Thank you.
And I admire that about you. Just use up your brain. And that's how you get the brain for do. Use it up.
I was saying that yesterday.
Alright guys, so just run go to Mega Mart and pick up one cake. Just like happy birthday Antoine and it. And some candles because I couldn't find him age. Them not have no one. So I took up these. Jason though, I just learned something. Jason tell me say you have to make them blow them age. Comment and let me know. Cause me never know that. I think you just put candles, like any amount, place them randomly on the cake and then blow it out. But that makes sense though. So I got one with 12, so you know we're not gonna use one. Come on now, come, so hold on guys. Guys, I said just like how you see Jason sit down right now, him sit down some weakness or accident. Just happened. Me never did see it because I did busy to talk to him. While him never did pay me no attention, and I look on the road and one car just running on one next car. Okay, bye. Later, yeah? So Jason gone, and me and Kimona.
Look at the road now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Soon come back. Share the live boomerang. Alright, let me get this from. Right, Jason? That's a wrap. Alright. Guys, hold on, guys. Me not lie. The baby fever, me in the store, me look. The baby fever lick me, you know. And I want a boy, but the earlier give me girl baby fever.
Girls. Guys, I'm tired to tell her so she's going to get a girl and she not listen to me.
Boy.
Who want bet? She bet me, you know.
What the betting?
She bet me, you know.
Guys, the mask and the glasses, it's not it. And not it at all. Could I? You see it? You see it, Kim? And not it. But yeah, we are going to pick up. But me I enjoy myself in the baby aisle. Guys, I see when I'm married and pop up with the baby bump. Honestly, me I got baby shopping. I can't wait to give you guys those vlogs. Trust me, I'm not gonna enjoy the vlog them. And the weather vlog them, I know I'm not gonna enjoy them. I promise. Woo! But you know we gotta pray, cause sometimes we want the life that for ourselves and we have it in our head and we say okay. So next week when this happens, right here, you know what I'm say always go. You know you have to pray and have faith. But that's a how me I go and plan it for now. So me I just pray upon it and yeah, when I get it.
Yep.
But we'll go back to shopping for Antoine's birthday.
Right. So
Wishful
guys,
thinking.
today's Antoine's birthday. Come over and tell Antoine happy birthday. I'm gonna come under this video and see all of the birthday wishes. Come with me, guys. End up pull and buy something for me.
Oh, sure, my best, yeah. Yeah, man, take it. Panty must comfortable females. And I lie. Let me tell them, I have my little nice one them. But you see the big one them are my favorite. I love when them comfortable. I can't walk on a dig out. I not in that. But as I say, I bought these are cute. Yeah. If you like it, comment and let me know. And it's reasonable. So we're going to cash out now because a girl is rich now.
Oh, I wanna go over the game aisle.
We're going over there?
We're gonna look in there.
Lord have mercy, come. Time early. We'll just try to get some stuff for Antoine before we go over. As I say, it's not even a party. I just been enjoying the day. I love this towel, don't? This nice, no? Towel can't too much. How much for it? Guys, we're coming up for 2 little things. Look there. Alright guys, so that's the name of the store and it's located in Portmore. Alright, so I bought this from my little sister and it works. It works. So this is going to help her with the letters and numbers. Yeah. So the people them will love lean down when them go a place. Sanitize around the handbag. Sanitize it because when you go home, I same time you go lean. I buy this because I think it looks cool. And me alone stay so buy random stuff. And you know it make me feel much better already. Like you know me I made something, I just sit like this. There up on the gully side. Eh? Ooh, it's so cool. Guys, just look. Whoa. We're going home. Like mood at the home right now, I do nothing. Yeah. Or probably I watch Money Heist or whatever. Cause me I watch Money Heist when everybody don't watch Money Heist. You realize? Everybody don't watch Money Heist and me and Jesse just like.
Let me tell you, I'm afraid of season shows.
Why?
Every day tomorrow cuss me and be like, watch this, watch that. I'm like,
I'm getting the seatbelt.
I fall in love with me always get too attached to characters and then after that the show is done.
Yeah,
like,
that's true. That's my thing.
especially if you have free time, you pop off 3 episodes like one time.
That's so true, you know. That's my problem as well, you know.
You get so attached to them.
Yes, because I remember I did watch the 100 as I call, and when Lincoln died, I just could watch it. A Lincoln him name. Can correct me. Today is very sunny. I mean it's hot, but it's bearable. And you know we're going to surprise Antoine and to put a smile on, you know, a child face. That's the best thing because I love when them happy. I did see them make this post on social media where them say if you did for write one book by yourself, what a book with a name. And you know the first thing that came to mind was courage. Because in my life, the reason why I did always so hesitant for the certain stuff is because I never have the courage. And then when I finally find the courage for the certain stuff, we speak up, for walk away, whatever it is. It's like life is.
Speak up. I think I would have put name and like footprints in the sun. I know why I said that.
Okay.
Footprints in the sun.
Remember the name man courage. That I did my struggle for the longest while. And from the start, like find the courage for the certain stuff is like life is much better. It's like it kind of give off a selfish attitude, but I'm not really selfish. So guys, I'm in Kim's bathroom and we have Antoine gifts. So these are the ball. Kim wanna say him already have a pump.
Yeah, ma'am.
So him have a pump it and I bought a blanket because let me tell you why I buy the blanket for Antoine. It's one of our buy gifts ensures that it have meaning behind it.
Right.
Because I probably wonder like why buy my red blanket? But Antoine love
Red.
him love not only him love red, him love comfort. So him will come and him will like have a skin like this.
Yeah, so if you're not loving, you can't really run my
Yeah,
baby.
so him we just hold this and fold it and rub it.
Rub it,
and
yeah.
comfy. So I'm getting my
Rub
red
your ears.
blanket. I don't know the size. I think the size right on it. I don't want to pull it out though. I mean it nice. I feel the quality.
Nice.
Quality nice. So yeah. So that's how I want for the gift here. So right now the time kind of look bleaky, like it's
Yeah,
gonna
it's get
rain.
dark and we're gonna try and put this in our bag also. And in money then we're gonna try do a game.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you about it.
We're gonna start out the game right now. So, you know, like you mega blow up some balloon. Kim wanna wrote down on some papers like got you. Oh no, try again. So we're gonna make him burst it. Anything when burst him keep whatever is inside of it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna fold up the money them, put them in the balloon and then him burst whatever. So one I gonna have 500, one I gonna have 100, probably 50 in a one, 200 in a one, 300 in a one. And we're gonna blow body per balloon. Some of them are gonna empty. If him lose him try, we are gonna try and burst
I
it.
guess you must give him 11 because he's 11 today.
Yes.
Select 11 balloons.
So here what we're gonna do. If him lose him try, we're gonna just try for the fun because we alone there.
Right.
So we're gonna start that out now. Then make the gift them stay in the bathroom so in the see them. And if you now wonder why so much red?
Red.
Because red is his favorite color.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get to work right now. Hi guys. Ready. You put your 500 on one color? Yeah, you make it stand there?
Small package. So we're going to start recording on my channel. So if you want to see the actual video.
Okay, excited?
Yes.
Okay, so when you pop it, whatever is inside of the balloon, then it's yours.
What's that?
Sing a song and win $100.
Alright, let's go. Ready now?
Oh, yeah, fine.
Alright. Let's go.
Roxanne, I should not did party all night. Oh damn, Roxanne.
Ah,
Don't
Alright.